Hi everybody, Diane from California Tea and Herbal. And today I have a great, and it's really hot here today, so a great minty, citrusy tea punch for the summer. And oh, this is so good. I just took some in to my husband, and he's not a mint guy. Oh, he loved it. So we'll get started. I'm going to give you the recipe. And it's also going to be, when you click more, then that will come and bring you to the actual written recipe. Let me read it quickly to you, and then you'll see how easy it is as I make it. So we start with 1.5 cups of boiling water. And with that, 2 tablespoons of our Moroccan mint tea. Now that's under green teas at calteas.com. This is a really great tea. It has a little jasmine in it too, just beautiful. Then 1/2 cup of sugar, or you can use a sweetener of your choice. And then you will want 1/2 cup of orange juice and 1/8 cup of lemon juice. These are freshly squeezed, please. It's going to make all the difference. And then you will finish off with 2.5 cups of cold water. So those are the ingredients. It's all written down when you click more, and let's get going. Alright, our water has just come to a boil. We're going to let that, since this is green tea, we're going to let that just sit for about 30 seconds, which it's doing now. And then we're going to put in this 2 tablespoons of the Moroccan mint tea. And then I'm going to cover that, and I'm going to let that steep for 3 minutes. And then I'll be back and we'll show you how to finish this wonderful summer tea punch. Alright, it's been 3 minutes, and you can see how wonderful the color of the liquid is. This has been 3 minutes of steeping, and now we're going to pour it. And since I filmed this myself and have one hand to use, I put the infuser right down on the sugar. So we pour the tea right into that infuser. Also, that will be right over that sugar. Piping hot tea that's going to melt the sugar. We'll lift that out. And now we're just going to stir this a little bit, and that sugar is going to dissolve. Just let it sit if you want. It'll start to dissolve, but I'm going to stir it to speed up the process here. And I'm going to leave it sit for just a couple minutes till I'm sure it's fully dissolved, and then I'll show you what the next step is. Alright, we're back. I have poured this green tea, very sweet green tea, strong concentrate that we made, and it is sweetened into the pan, and now I'm going to add the orange juice and the lemon juice to that. And now I'm going to give that a stir. Now we'll just add in our cold water. Now, you could pour this over ice right now and serve it and garnish it, but I'm going to, you don't have to do this, but I'm just going to let it really get cold before I pour mine over ice. So we'll be back when we're ready to assemble it. Okay, it's time to assemble and taste, the favorite part of the whole recipe, so let's get going on that. Okay, here we go. I've got this in just the right amount, about 12 ounces, I believe I've got. Anyway, it doesn't matter because you can put yours in a pitcher and just pour from there. I've also got my frosted glass with ice in it, so I'm going to pour this mint tea punch over the top, and then I'm going to garnish it with a round lemon slice, and I'm actually going to just kind of fit it in. It's going to sit there at the top and let the punch flow right through it, and I'm going to put a sprig of mint in the middle. There's a hole in that lemon. It's going to hold that mint there. And isn't that pretty? Now I want to take my thumbnail of this, so before I take a sip, I'm going to do my thumbnail. I'll be right back. Okay, thumbnail taken, and I'm ready to try this. It's about 100, maybe close to 100 out there, so this is going to taste really good. Oh my. Oh my. You know, like I said, always use fresh fruit. If I didn't say it, I'll say it now. Always use fresh fruit in a specialty drink. It's just so much better. I'm tasting everything. I'm tasting the lemon, the orange. I'm tasting the Moroccan mint tea. And it's all so beautifully blended together. So refreshing. And I gotta say, you know, if you cut lemon wedges to garnish, I love cutting them this way if they can, because this fits right through, right on the top. It's so pretty, and then every time you drink, you can smell that, and it just, you know, everything passes through that lemon slice. This is so easy, as you saw, and so delicious. I really hope you'll try this. Now, if you want to stick with me, I'm going to go show you our new baby, our newest baby in the garden. And also, would you please remember to subscribe, like, and share? And it's really important. Also, comments. I'd love to hear your comments and questions. If you have any question all about tea, please let us know. We've been in it a long time. So let's head out to the garden. I'm going to take this with me. Well, there it is. We've got a pomegranate tree bush. We just brought this home. And it was, oh, the nursery had thrown these things into a hot corner, and it was a mess. And I had to cut a lot of branches off of this and give it some nice food and water and nutrition. But we've got already this beautiful pomegranate, and we're so excited. Okay, everybody, I want to thank you for watching today, and I hope you enjoy that tea punch. It is so good. Also, would you please hit the subscribe, the like, the share, make comments, and hit that notification bell, please. All that stuff matters to YouTube. We just want you to, you know, enjoy tea. And please tell your friends who are interested in tea and learning more to please come and join us. We hope it's a fun channel. And thank you so much. Visit calteas.com and see what our weekly sales are. Every week it changes. Thanks again. Also want to say God bless America. What a wonderful country we have, people. You know, I think I've just looked again at what we have here, and we don't want to lose it. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Freedom's a beautiful thing, isn't it? And so we'll see you next time. Bye for now.